Larson Electronics has custom disconnect switches. Our disconnects are available in both fused and non-fused units in a variety of amps and voltages. Our enclosures are available in NEMA 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and include protection against water, moisture, and debris. Stainless steel units are also available. Custom lugs, auxiliary contacts, or other equipment can be added. You can even add a viewing window. You can add the following customizations. Our disconnects are suitable for indoor and outdoor use and applications including construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, hazardous location operations, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. Get your customized disconnect switch at Larson Electronics today. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.